Okay, so I got this new vacuum and red lithium Forge XC 8.0 battery, red lithium Forge. So I just want to open it up and let's see what this thing's all about. Because the biggest problem I have around here is dust. So let's just open it up and see what's happening with this thing. I needed a little one just to bring on the job site. See if I can get a hook to the sander and all that. That would be fantastic. So I mainly need it for is hooking up to one of my sanders. Get rid of that. Got here instructions or something. What is this? Alright, anyway, forget all that. So, not bad, it's a small little thing. It's got some weight to it for a little thing. Let's open it up and see what's looking like. Okay, so inside here, you got an adapter, vacuum adapter. Alright, it looks like that's where your battery goes, is in there. Alright, kind of cool. I got a battery here charged and ready. Okay, so yeah, it doesn't fit right up in there. Okay, I can deal with that. Like that. Actually. Just taking this one out. Should try it out real quick. So I was a little skeptical about a cordless vacuum, but we'll give it a whirl. Okay, so this side, you got your power button, all that. And your hose just wraps around there, pretty convenient. And the hose, dang, that's actually a pretty heavy duty hose. Ain't like these, not like these cheap hoses that come with everything on. I mean, this thing, it's not like a hard, I mean, it's hard plastic, but it's almost like, I don't know, just the quality feels better. It doesn't feel like that cheap plastic. So anyways, let's just take a look inside where the filter goes. Okay, so that's simple enough. This little filter. And I guess it's a wet and dry vac, I believe. But anyway, so to open that bottom up, there's a buckle on both sides. I'm curious to see if this will fit on any of my sanders. Did I do that wrong side or what? Goes on that way. That's weird. I'm not exactly sure how the heck that adapter would go on where that. But anyways, looks like this just fits on that one here, but I'm not sure how it hooks up to. Okay, so you got to pull it off the hose. It's got like threaded, kind of like a threaded thing. So I'm guessing that okay, so it just screws off here. The thread's kind of reversed, I guess. So anyways, that ain't gonna work for this sander, but if I really need it in a bind and had to use this particular sander, I'm sure I could find a hose clamp or even tape the thing up for that matter if need be. But we'll go ahead and put the original thing back on here for now. I'm curious to see how quiet or loud this thing is going to be. Get rid of that. Switching all my tools to Milwaukee. Still got a few DeWalt's kicking around. But yeah, let's turn this thing on and see what it sounds like. Actually got really good suction on it. Wow. Actually, oh, so it's got two settings, a low and a high. It's actually pretty cool. Let's see if it'll hook to this other. So I bought this sander a while back to, I think I paid like $150, $180. It was under $200. So I was looking at one of them mergers, but $600-700 for a damn sander is a pretty painful thing for me. So this thing actually works really, really awesome, especially for the price. It does come with this hose built on it, and I'm just curious to see. So I got it taped up to another small shop vac that I was using it with. Sorry. Anyway, just crap off me. So this hose basically is built right on here. And I just noticed something. I barely have used this, and look at this shit. So there's already a crack in that damn hose. After all the thing I was just saying I really liked about this, I still really like the sander, but obviously that hose is kind of crap. See, it just don't fit with this. I might have to get the... Okay, so it fits with that one, so I'll just have to change that out and we'd be in good shape. So that's cool to know. So anyhow, that's that vacuum running off of one of these batteries. And yeah, so hopefully it helps you. I'll give an updated video on what I think about after I use it for a little bit. So I'm about to use it tomorrow for some sanding. So I'm curious to see how long the battery will hold up on low, high. So I'll do another video down the road of, what I think about it then. And again, with this sander, minus that little problem with the hose, versus one of them Merkers or a Festool sander, for the price, the thing works great. It works really, really great. I'm using it to do some tabletops, and it's got a 6-inch pad on it. The hand vibration is so minimal on it. I absolutely love it. But anyways, with the vacuum, hopefully this video may help you or not. Thanks for watching.